draw graphs. We will be drawing some graphs now. Let us say the first very easy one, x plus y is equal to 3. Children, drawing graph of this equation would mean to represent this equation as a straight line in xy plane. And to draw a line in xy plane, first of all, we need to plot the coordinates. So our first step would be to find the values of x and y, to find the values of x and y. Children, minimum we should find 3 values. So we'll draw a table. We can find any 3 values of our choice. Each one of us may have different choices, may have different values for this. Right, beta? Suppose I am taking x equal to 1. What will be y?
2.
2.
Right. Y will be 2. If we take x equal to 0, y will be?
3.
Suppose I put y 0, x would be?
3.
3.
So these are the 3 values I have taken. You may take 3 values of your choice as well. Now let us plot these 3 values in xy plane. I will use this as my scale. Let us do it. Okay. So x,
Yes, ma'am.
y, this is going to be 0. We need to take equal marks. The highest value we need is 3 in x and x, y axis also. So 1, 2, 3. Let me take it in 4 because 3 is the highest one I need. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me plot something here. -1, -2, -1, -2, -3. As many as you want. All right, beta. Now let us plot the points. Let us plot the points. The first one is x1, y2. x1, y2. Somewhere here,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us take the next one. x0, y3. On x-axis 0, y-axis 3. This will be the point, beta. We need to write coordinates. x3, y0. This is the point. Children, please make sure that the 3 points must fall in the same line. These 3 points must fall in a straight line. If not, that means either you have made mistake in the calculation of points or in plotting of points. Are you with me? If the 3 points are not falling in a straight line, this way, anyway, it should be a straight
Mom,
line.
if we take -3 and mom -1.
-3 and -1 will not satisfy this only. Now, beta, if you are taking x as -3,
Mom and
then
y
you need
is 1.
then you need to see what should be y. If you solve it, y will come out to be 6. You cannot take values on your own randomly, beta. You have to satisfy this equation.
Ma'am, if we take -3 plus 6, ma'am,
Then it will be fine. Yes, then it will be fine. Okay. So now if the points are not lying in the straight line, that means 2 problems. First, either calculation mistake in the table. Second, plotting is wrong. Now, having done this much work, let us join these points. Children, please see here. I don't want you to be joining like this only. Dhyan dijiye, please be careful. It's not that you have joined this and it's done. No. You have to extend it to reach another quadrant also. It should be something like this. Then you draw arrows. Arrow means it's a line and can be extended as long as we want. And on either of the side, दोनों में से किसी एक side पे बेटा write the equation. Suppose I am writing this side. So this is a graphical representation of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The first one was x plus y is equal to 3. Let us take the second question as x minus y equal 3 children. Again, the very first step would be to calculate the points carefully, right? I would advise you here, x minus y equal 3 means you may please write it as x is equal to, take y that side. It will become plus. So now you assign 3 different values to y and add 3 to it to get x. Right, beta? For example, if I take y as 0, what will be x?
3. Ma'am, 3.
3. Let me take y as minus 3. What will be x?
Ma'am, 0.
Minus 0. Okay. Let me take y as 2. You may take any values of your choice. Y would
Ma'am,
be.
5.
Ma'am, 5.
So let us read what we get. 3, 0. X, 3, y, 0. Is it going to be this point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. X, 0, y minus 3. Will it be this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then there is one more. X, 5, y, 2. So I need to extend it a little. So x 5 and y 2. This is going to be the point.
Yes, ma'am.
Ji beta. Are these 3 points lying in the same line?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are falling in the same straight line. And since they are falling in the same straight line, that means our calculation is correct. Now let us join with the help of a scale. Extend it a bit and mark arrows. On either of the arrow, write the equation. Okay. This would be your complete presentation of the graph. Children, see, a line, a straight line can pass through maximum 3 quadrants. 1, 2, 3. Right? So at any point of time, I'm saying maximum 3. It may be minimum 2 also. Maximum 3. It cannot pass through all 4. Otherwise, it will become a circle or a quadrilateral. Right? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Move. Now let us take 2x plus y is equal to 5. Student, for such equations, look for the coefficient 1. The coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of y is?
1.
May I please write it as y is equal to 5 minus 2x beta? Right? So now we shall assign values to x. We shall assign values to x and solve it to get the values of y. All right. For example, let me simply put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, 2 into 0 is?
0.
So 5 minus 0 would be?
5.
5.
If you can do orally, well and good. Otherwise, you can make a table in the side, do the rough work over there. Right? Give me any one value of your choice. Let me take excess.
I'm 5.
Let me take the simpler one. No, if I take x equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, what will be y, children? 5 minus 2 to 1. It would be 5 minus 2 into 1. So 5 minus 2 is
3.
3.
I would always like to take simple values. If I
Ma'am,
take
2.
x equal to 2 into 2,
Ma'am, y is equal to
Minus 4.
y
I'm
equal
going
to
to
Minus 4.
Minus 2.
Four. Minus
4. 1.
1 minus 4, beta. I am taking x
minus.
equal to 2. So what will be y? 5
1.
minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 4, which gives me 1.
1.
We can always do the calculations orally, but if you are not comfortable, you can do in the rough. Now let us plot the graph. Okay. Do mark axis carefully. Do mark origin or 0, whatever you call it, and then mark the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -1, -2. Okay. Now let's see. If x is 0, y is 5. So on which axis will the point come?
Y axis.
Y axis.
Y-axis.
And y-axis.
So 0, 5. x1, y3. x1,
Equal coordinate.
y3. Okay. x2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, do you think that the points will be in the straight line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Can correct. Draw a line using scale. Extended also. On either of the ends, write the equation. So this is the equation. This is the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 5.